how to do this. And also, as a bonus, how to do this. Basically, you learn how to upload multiple photos to Instagram stories and posts.
Okay.
All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new. This is an OBS tutorial, let's get right into it. Okay, let's start with carousels, or how to add multiple photos on posts. And the way to do that is to actually click on the plus option, click on library, and select a few photos, right? Something like this. But if you just try to select multiple, it just doesn't work. And for some reason I don't have internet, but it just doesn't work, right? So what you do is you click this button right here, this one, the multiple photos button. And now you can click a bunch of photos, and based on the number you have, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, you have the first one, then the second one, then the second one. So if we go ahead and click on next right here, we'll have them in sort of like a carousel. But now we might be thinking, well, how can I make a little bit interesting carousels or multiple posts like this one, for example, right? The way to do that is using an app called Canva. So I have a whole video guide on how to do infographics like this, and I will include it in the cards above, and I'll have a link for Canva in the description down below. So you can, you know, spice up your posts. And if you want to do really cool stories, the first thing you do is you open up a story, right? You start it, and then if you add a story, right, normally, and you have an option to just add one photo, and when you go on a story, you just click this, select the story, right? You don't have this option again, you can actually add stories. You don't have the option in the stickers, you don't have it. So if you want to add multiple pictures, what you can do is use this, put it here, and while it's here, go on your photos, click on a photo, click this share button, copy photo, and from here just go back to the app, click the text function right here and paste it. And look at that, you have two. And just like that, you can add multiple pictures to one story. And if you're on Android or this seems too complicated, an alternative is to use an app. The app I use is Mojo. There's a free version, but as you can see, you can very quickly add photos. You want two photos, voila, super easy, right? And then you have two photos, and you can make them smaller, bigger, add text. It's super easy to do stuff like that with Mojo. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you slap the like button right now. And you know what? I'll shout your Instagram account out. All I want from you is to comment your Instagram username in the description down below. That's all it takes. All it takes. And the shout out winner on this episode is... Remember that video that keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, you should definitely check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.